How to Do Anything Television brings you a new video to show you guys in this tutorial how to copy and paste on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, we just need to have access to a Mac computer, and I will show you the very basics of how you can copy and paste. So let's now create a folder on the Mac computer desktop. Right click, new folder. Let's just call this folder video, as we are creating a video. Now what we will do is go to the folder, right click, copy, go to the desktop, right click, paste item. The folder itself has been pasted. Now let's take a screenshot. Command Shift and 3 to take a screenshot of the whole desktop on screen. And now let's highlight the screenshot, right click, copy, right click, paste, and there we have screenshot number 2. If we wish to use a keyboard shortcut, we can use Command C and V. So let's now highlight everything. The keyboard shortcut is Command C to copy, Command V to paste, and this will paste everything else on the desktop. And there we go. It looks a bit confusing because we have now so many folders with duplicate names. But if we wish to change the names of folders and images, that's for a whole nother video. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.